So have you ever wondered how roofers and solar installers do their work on pitch roofs? Roofers use roof brackets they nail down, but I saw something new the other day. This is what is called pitch hopper. I'm not sponsored by them and I don't know too much about them, but this is what I saw the solar panel installers were using. You can move them around, they're not attached, they're sort of like held to the roofing shingles by friction. So I guess you need to have a certain way of using it or it'll just slide down. Of course, the roofers or solar installers using them, you need other safety equipment as well. But you see how these pitch hoppers can really make their job much easier. So having said that, working on a roof is never easy. They make it look like so. This looks like a 3,000 watt installation on one side. I'm not sure if they have solar panels on the other side. So have you noticed that these new solar panels are all dark colored or black in color? So that's probably a good thing because these strong reflections from solar panel equipment, the piping, sometimes they can reflect very strong lights onto your surroundings. So these bright reflections are not necessarily a good thing because I've seen car trims that got warped when these strong reflections are cast on the vehicle. So yeah, these are little details that people don't know or consider. So it appears more and more people are installing solar panels on their roof. They look nice, and I hope it's worth their while.